Alright, let's try this wheelie out again. Moving all over the place. Holy. That was good. Revenge! The bike's pulling a lot harder in first, so I really have to be careful. I can't match first gear like I used to. It's okay though. This bike's not a roll racing bike anyways. So I got earplugs in right now, but they're a little old. I don't know why I'm using old earplugs. And I noticed the right one is not working so well. So it's letting a lot of air in actually. It's kind of flopping along the wind. It's kind of annoying. It's almost worse than not having earplugs. Which, I don't know how that makes sense. But I can definitely feel it. Woo! No! I'm not doing a wheelie right here. Have you lost your mind? Ah! That's a tight fit! Thank you. Shaking these wheels. Oh. Whoa, there's a lot of water out there. It's murky. Dang. Oh, that's because it just rained. That's why. Wow. I don't know if it's just my lens right now, but whoo. The murky water. It's a good looking bike. I don't know if I like winglets on S1Ks unless it's the newer ones. K47, K46 that is. I don't know if I like winglets on K46s. Definitely 67s. Definitely. Get me on the freeway. Get me on the freeway. Oh my god, Jay got me a drink. Had some kind of Red Bull in there, something. I don't know what it was, but I am so amped up right now. I don't usually drink those kind of drinks. Whatever it is, it's talking to me. Woo! Close call. That was a close call. I was like, oh, I'm holding both points so perfectly. Don't come down. Usually every time I wheelie, the bike leaves to the right. You guys know this. And that is my favorite on-ramp to hit a wheelie. That is my favorite on-ramp to wheelie right. That is my favorite on-ramp to do a wheelie. And I hit it perfectly. And I saw that car merging and I'm like, come on! Wait just a second. but I knew I had to come down. Ah! Oh well, that was good. I'll take it. Oh god, there's a King of Steer behind us. Oh god, there's a... I don't even know how to say it. Kia Singer Kia? Who cares? I hate when... Oh, come on. These guys have like a little tune. I'm not trying to disrespect any car, but these guys always put like a little tune on there with a blow-off valve, and then they go... Yeah, I'm gonna go mess with these liter bikes. I'm not trying to be above anyone else, but... Come on, man. Come on, sister. Oh my god. Buddy. It's a good looking bike, that's for sure. I don't know about that swing arm though. There's not enough detail in that swing arm. I don't care if it works. I don't care if it's light. There's just not enough detail on that swing arm. But I'll tell you what though, their subframes are pretty cool. They already look like they're the race subframes. That's just how those K46s come. They have cool swing arm. I'm sorry. They have cool subframes. But the swing arm? I don't know. Even the old Aprilia started it with 2009. It came out with a cool looking swing arm. And they only changed in 2016 to make them slightly longer. And they're the same swing arm. It's just the ends where you put the axle through. It's just a little extended so you can make it shorter or longer. That's it. It's the same swing arm. Until 21, then they updated it. It's a totally different swing arm. Yada yada yada. And that's the one I want. If I could find a good deal on one, I will definitely get one. Because it's like 600 grams lighter. It performs a lot better because I think it's 30% more stiff. Is the correct word I could use? 30% stiffer? So that's kind of cool. I heard good things about it. And it has to be relatively good because a lot of guys with my year want to convert to the newer swing arm. I'll tell you something. Oh! Oh! Thanks for the heads up! Yeah, I feel like it's a lot windier than it is because I have this pocket right here that's doing nothing but catching air. And it's kind of pulling away from me, so I feel like it's a lot windier than it really is. See, my bike says I'm doing 75, and his says he's doing 76, 77. Someone's gearing's a little off. So usually when I race, when I know I'm going to beat someone, well, I shouldn't say that because you don't ever know that. I usually let them get the hit because I like to play catch up, but I always want to make sure, you know what, I didn't cheat the race. I let you get that first jump. It's on video, I know. But that last race we did was pretty close. So I was like, you know what? I'm going on third honk. You're the one doing the honking. I'm going. No cheating. All fair and square. Clean race. That one worked out pretty good. I don't know if he messed up or anything, but so far that one was strong. I don't know where he was behind me. I definitely got the go on that one. Well, thanks for everyone tuning in to another video. I will see you guys next week on the next episode. Actually, that was stupid. I'm not going to say that. There's no episodes. I'm not filming any series. Anyways, I appreciate everyone for watching. I will see you again in the next couple of days. Later.